The essential role of OEM parts for Toro, John Deere, and Jacobsen brands. Original equipment manufacturer or OEM parts are components produced by the same manufacturer who made the original equipment. Securing the right OEM parts for your golf lawn mower can sometimes be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. There are numerous instances where the use of OEM parts has drastically improved the performance and lifespan of Toro, John Deere, and Jacobsen golf lawn mowers. By choosing OEM parts, you can ensure the sustained performance of your equipment and its longevity.